Welcome back to Pam Edits. Today, I'll show you how to create a morphing text effect, step by step. Step 1. Add text. Remove the default text, then type a space. Adjust the font size as shown. Step 2. Background setup. Choose any background color you like, adjust the width as shown, and make a compound clip. Step 3. Apply mask. Click on Mask and choose Rectangle Mask. Adjust the round corners as shown. Step 4. Keyframe animation. Click on Keyframe in size. Drag the first keyframe, then create the second keyframe at the very beginning of the video. Copy the second keyframe and paste it as shown. Now, adjust the fourth keyframe into a circle shape, just like in the example. This creates a smooth morphing animation. Step 5. Graph adjustment. Right-click and select Show Keyframe Animation. Select all keyframes and click on Graph. Choose Rebound Out and apply it to the Y-axis as well. Now your animation has a nice, bouncy feel. Hide the keyframe animation when you're done. Step 6. Add text animation. Insert a new text layer and type any name. Change the font and adjust the size as needed. Go to Animation and select Bounce Left. Tweak the speed if required. Then, make a compound clip. Step 7. Add glow effect. Go to Effects and search for Glow. Select Glow 2 and drag it onto your clip. Adjust the glow settings to your liking. And that's it. You've now created a glowing, bouncing, morphing text effect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Pam Edits for more editing tutorials. See you in the next video.